Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to our drawing channel. Today, we will be drawing
A magical hat.
a magical hat using markers and our hands. To draw, we will need drawing paper, a pencil, an eraser, and colored pencils or markers.
And our little, happy hands.
And our little, happy hands. Today, we're having a Halloween-themed lesson, so it might get very, very spooky. Like this, it will be scary. I have little monsters living here. Shall we begin?
Yes.
Take your hand and fold your fingers like this. Follow me closely to do it correctly. Bring our hands together. Start with the pinky finger. The key is to stop in time, right here. Now, place your other hand over it, creating the top part of our hat. Well done! Now, look, we need to draw the pointed end of our hat. It can be any shape you like, however you desire. And let's connect these two lines here. Now, Moana, wait for us to finish drawing a hat for Maya, and then we'll continue.
Subscribe to our channel, give us a like, and click the notification bell
to stay updated on our new drawing lessons. Alright, now we need to decide. Do you want to draw spooky hats or just magical hats?
Spooky ones.
Great. Then let's draw spooky grimaces on your hats. Oh, how scary! Who here is my little monster? I'll draw a regular buckle on my hat, like this. You can choose whichever you like better. Wow, you did it so well! Now, let's color our hats. I want purple. What color do you like? Maybe you'll choose green? And what color will you choose?
I want pink.
But pink doesn't go well with a spooky drawing. Maybe red or purple. Choose whichever you want. Now let's take some markers and color our drawings. A magical hat is an essential accessory for magicians and wizards. Some pull rabbits out of them, while true wizards use their hats to perform miracles and determine human destinies. Witches, as well as legendary wizards, wear pointy hats. For instance, Merlin. And the most famous hat is at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. The sorting hat decides the future of young wizards. It determines which class they will attend. If you want us to draw characters from the Harry Potter movies, let us know in the comments. Now, take a magical marker. Let's draw stars on our magical hat. These drawing lessons are designed for our youngest viewers. They stimulate imagination and fine motor skills.
So, Mom, shall we show how it turned out?
Let's go!
Ось так, тільки маєте тебе не видно. Ось так, давай нижче.